Hi everyone, I'm going to be taking us through a tutorial of creating a rotating ball using ANSYS. And so first you go through the analysis here, and you drag in your Fluent here. After you're done with that, you go to right click geometry. It's taking a bit of a time here. Then you go to design modeling. If you're good with space clean, you could use that, but I'm more comfortable with design modeling. So it's opened here. So we have to create first let's go here, we click on planes here, then we have to create a sphere. Could do that easily from here under primitives, say sphere. Some 0.1 meters, and yeah, we want it to be at the origin, as you could see. So we are leaving this as it is. Then we generate. So this is a sphere. Yeah. So the idea, well, as you go, you will realize why I'm doing this. So basically, this is the sphere we are focusing on, but in the mesh, in order to make it rotate, we need to create a kind of a void. So I'll be creating another sphere bigger than this, though this is our focus. Yeah, so I'll be creating another sphere. Okay. That should be under primitives. Yeah, so I'll just make this a little more. Let's say 15 cm. And add frozen. Okay, then we generate. Yeah, so we have two bodies. Let's call this the rotating. Let's call this the rotating body. And let's say this is the ball. Or sphere. Let's just leave it as ball. Okay, so now we're done with this. We have to create the box. To do that, we go to our XY plane. Rotate it from here. Then we go to sketch. So new sketch. We go to sketching. Rectangle. Yep. So now we're going to dimension it. Dimension. So then now we could edit the dimensions. So I'm looking at it, we could say h2 should be 1 meters. So 1 meters be okay. Yeah, I guess so. So we could make this 1 meter for h2. We could make both ends 1 meter. So h1 could be 2 meters, or let's say 2.5. V3 we could make it, we could make it 2 also. Let's make it 2. Then V4 make it 1. So this is how our box will look like. I think this pretty good. Yeah. So next we have to create this solid, and to do that we go to the modeling. Yeah, go to create, extrude. So the geometry, so this is the geometry we are using. That's the sketch one, this box. So we apply that. Add material, add frozen, direction. We could make it both symmetric. Let me show you what that means. Now look at this. Here is just to the positive z. So see this way. I think that's what we have to do here. The depth 1 meters, 1 meter. I think 1 meters is okay. Yeah, then we generate. Pretty easy. So this we could call this, we just rename this as box. So with this we can move on. Then we could subtract. Yeah, target body is the box. Apply. Two body is the rotating body, but we are preserving the body. So this will be yes, and generate. Oh. Repeat same thing. To the mesh. So this is it. So you'll notice checking the connection. So now we create the mesh. Create a mesh size of, I'm not going to dwell too much here. I'll just select a simple, create a mesh size of 5 cm. Yeah, maybe. And another way to go about it is, so to be more efficient, we'll create insert sizing, body sizing for the one inside. So select geometry, so that will go here, rotating body. Oh, that's not what I want. So yeah, we could just hide this. Let me select this. Then we could make this of a lesser mesh. Let's say that the previous one was 5 cm, I guess. So this we could make it like 1 mm or 5 mm. Yeah. And we could generate another thing we have to do is to name this body. So let's name this inlet. We'll go back to face selection, so create name, call this inlet. Okay, call this outlet. Okay, then we could name all these parts wall. You just highlight all of them, holding down your control key. Yeah, another thing we have to name is, and not exactly this way, but we're going to create a wall out of the void in this sphere. So we'll hide this body, and for this we'll hide this face. So we could see that this is a void in the real card design, but we could actually still see it here. So we'll create a wall out of this basically by naming it. How do we do that? We just highlight it, box select, then create a name selection. So this is our main focus. So we could call it, I'll just call it sphere. Okay, so these are various conditions, boundary conditions, and I could just show the whole face now, and I can mesh. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so our mesh is successful. Let's take a look at how it is. So now if we section this mesh, let's section it, and I want to show you something. So section it, you go to section plane, then I think a better approach would be such that I see it. So yeah, so section, you go to your new section, and then you just basically draw a line across it. Yeah, so if we look at this, take a look at this, so you see this has a more finer mesh than this, and this is just to help our computation. Basically, you know, our focus basically is on the ball, so we really want to have a finer mesh around the ball compared to this external, this surface farther away from the ball. So yeah, so that's how your mesh should look like. Gives you, saves you computation resource than making all the whole body a finer mesh like this. So now I'll just close it back, and we are done with this. Save, and we move to, yeah, then we move to the setup. Okay, still saving, it's done. Yeah, we should get a tick box here, but if it doesn't happen, you could just update it here. Same thing. Now we go to the Fluent setup.